Okay, here's a double radical equation. To solve it, you need to isolate a radical again, so let's isolate this one. So I'll add this to both sides. And so I'll come up with, yeah, I've done that here. So these cancel out, and you're left with this. Then you square both sides. But now what we have here is root x plus 24 is equal to 3 plus root x minus 3. So at this time, yes, we square this. But on the right side, you can't square each of these individually. You have to square the whole thing. Okay, we just need a plus right there. So when we square the whole thing, we write out two of these equations. Perfect. 3 plus root x minus 3, 3 plus root x minus 3. The square and the square root on the left side cancel. Perfect. FOIL, 9, this. Oh, and that's two of them, so they cancel. Yeah, that's good. So then we'd have x plus 24 equals 9 plus, these are like terms, so I can combine them. And since the square and the square root cancel out, I just have plus x minus 3. Now I need to isolate the radical again. So here's a radical, I need to isolate it. So I'm going to subtract 9, subtract an x, and add 3. So on the other side, I'll have x plus 24 minus 9 minus x plus 3 is equal to 6 root x minus 3. Hopefully I did that right. So 24 minus 9 is 15 plus 3 is 18. Oh, and x minus x cancel. Oh, interesting. This one and this one cancel. So on this side, all I have is 18 is equal to 6 times root x minus 3. Now, since 18 is divisible by 3, or by 6, I'll divide this side by 6 and this side by 6. To get 3 is equal to root x minus 3. Life is looking very good at the moment. Now, let's square both sides. So I'll square this side to get rid of the square root because it's isolated, and I'll square this side. So I'll get 9 is equal to x minus 3. Add 3 to both sides. I get x is equal to 12. That's a good question. We better maybe make sure we check it, though. There's our original question. Let's plug a 12 in and see what we get. Okay, so root of 12 plus 24 minus root of 12 minus 3 is equal to 3. 12 plus 24, 36. 12 minus 3 is 9. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 9 is 3. 6 minus 3, oh yeah. So that one must be right. Hopefully that helps you with a double radical question.